Hi guys, so today we have come to this Indranagar KTM showroom, and one of my club member is buying a KTM 250, so we have come for the delivery of that bike. And this is the same showroom where I bought my 390, and it's in this Indranagar 100 feet road. It's a very good showroom, and even the service is great. You can see my number out there. His name is Satish. He's waiting for his bike. He has ordered a white color 250, and he'll be joining our KTM brothers team very soon. And I'm pretty excited to take this video because this is the first video under Kashyap Motovlogs, and I just wanted to give a small info regarding my new channel name. I just changed the new channel name because I was not able to upload my personal vlogs under the club name of Kaladu Riders Club. So I didn't want to use the club name for my personal vlogs, so I changed the club name to Kashyap Motovlogs so that I can upload all the ride videos of our club as well as my personal vlogs. So here it is. This is the first video of my personal vlog.
I'm excited to get my 250 Duke. So I just finished my registration form, signature and all.
He's pretty excited today.
Yeah, too much excited.
So yours will be a white color?
Yeah, mine is white color.
Okay.
So white looks stunning.
Welcome to KTM family.
Yo, thank you, bro.
This is the 250, and these are the old models of Duke 200. This is the new 250. All these are old models, and you can find only one 390. It's an old model, and this is a new 390 RC, and these are 200s.
like a song. But we were flying so far